Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Money with Massari Kennels, and we talking French Bulldogs. For those that don't know me, I'm a Chicago-based dog breeder, and I breed French Bulldogs. Today we have Wednesday here with us, and she's going to demonstrate how. She's going to help us demonstrate how to do a DNA test on a dog via mouth swab. Wednesday is a 7-week-old black and tan big rope French Bulldog. She is one out of a litter of 5 that I had off my girl Lila. I bred her to a dog named Rampage. He's a Shaka son. My girl Lila is a boss son. So we had some really nice pups. We do have 4 pups available. So if anyone is interested, you can click the link in the description of this video and contact us for more information. So to speak on just dog DNA tests in general, you get dog DNA tests to determine the coat color, the coat type, and then you can get something that's also called a 6-panel health clearance. So it just ensures, when you're selling your puppies to people, you basically let them know what the puppies carry, what they coats are, the different colors they can create when you're trying to breed, the different colors they can create, and ensuring that, you know what I'm saying, they have a basic health clearance with that DNA test. I use Animal Genetics. It's one more other place, I can't think of it right now, that I have used before. And I know some people go get them done at their vets. But I find that Animal Genetics works best for me because I can order my kits online, I can pay for it, I can send them in, and they offer all 3 ways to do the DNA testing. So you got 3 different ways to do your dog DNA test. You can do a mouth swab, which is basically just taking the swab, putting it on the inside of the cheek, wiping it around for about 15 seconds, letting the air dry. You don't want to get the sample contaminated though, so I would say, you know what I'm saying, make sure that this doesn't touch anything that might interfere with the DNA sample itself. So you let it air dry for about 30 minutes or so. It's what the instructions tell me. That's what I always do. And then what you do is you take it, you reseal it in this pack. When you go through Animal Genetics, you get free DNA testing kits. So they send all of this stuff for free. And you seal it in this pack. You write the name of your dog on there. You know what I'm saying? The date of the sample collection. I don't know if you guys can see this. The date of the sample collection. And you just basically send it to the address that they have. And they'll give you your results via email. Probably about like a week tops. Maybe sometimes take a little bit longer, maybe due to the holidays or something, I don't know. But it should be about a week tops that you should get your results back. Cool. So that's one way to do it, through Animal Genetics. We got another way to do it is basically when your pups is like, I want to say between 2 and like 4 days, some people will clip their dew claw. I don't know if everybody is familiar with puppies and dew claws. I don't clip my dog's dew claws. But right here, this is a dew claw. I don't know if you can see Wednesday. This is a dew claw. And that little claw on the side there. So when they're very young, I'm talking about like when they're first born, you can take probably like some, I don't know what it's called, like maybe surgical scissors or something like that. I wouldn't say scissor much. Like I said, I haven't done it. I've seen it done, but I haven't done it before. And you take the claw off. Take the whole claw out. Excuse me. You take the whole claw out, and you will put that in a plastic bag, and again, you can just send that straight to Animal Genetics as well. When you go on their website, they're gonna send you when you order your test kits, they're gonna send you instructions on how to do each and every different test. That's number 1. And then you can also clip the nails. She don't want me grabbing her nail. Y'all see she gonna move her hand away from me. I think she's scared because she up here. I don't know why she acting like that. But yeah, so you can clip their nails. So the third way to do the DNA test would be to clip the nails and draw blood. You can probably pretty much do that, I want to say, anytime after maybe a week and a half. Whenever, depending on how small your puppies are, you don't really want to interfere with them. It's completely safe for them. So you just clip the nail, clip one of the nails until it starts to bleed. If you go through Animal Genetics again, they're gonna send you a card and it has 2 dots on it on the tips of it. So what you do is you take the nail, you clip it and let it bleed. And what you do is you put that nail on the paper card and let that fill up with blood. I don't think you're supposed to put too much on there, but again, I'm not certain about that. I tried that one time, but sometimes my results came back inconclusive, should I say. So it took me like a whole nother week to get my results back because I had to send in a whole nother sample. It was just a bummer. It was time consuming. I didn't get to get my samples when I wanted them to. And I just it didn't work well for me that time. I haven't tried it again yet. Possibly with my future litters, I will try it again. But I find that the cheek swab works best for me. Again, it takes a little longer to get them done because, most people, especially if you're a breeder, trying to rehome your puppies, 6 weeks is a long time to be waiting to get a DNA test. But then because then you take a DNA test, you got to ship it out. It gets there. But like I say, this works effectively for me. And most other places, when you do the DNA testing, are going to encourage you to do the cheek swab as well. So, again, that's basically how you do the swab. Now, we don't know. We can do a swab right now. We don't know if Wednesday's going to be cooperative with us. She seems a little frantic for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe she just doesn't want to be on camera. Maybe she just wants to be sleeping. She probably just like, these guys just woke me up to put me on camera and I'm not feeling it. So she may not be feeling it. So boom. There's the cheek swab right here. I don't know how to open this thing. Tell me to open on this side. So you open it on this side. Y'all just give me a second. Boom. There we go. There we go. Boom. Another thing you don't want to do too, you also want to wait until after they eat. So you don't want to do a cheek swab while they have like food residue in their mouth. You want to make sure that they've eaten, I'm going to say like an hour prior to giving them a cheek swab, an hour or two prior. So you take this. Say Wednesday. See, she's not feeling it. Say See, look at that. She don't want to do it. Say Either way it goes. Now her sisters and brothers and sisters are crying. Maybe they want to be in the limelight. Let's see, look. You want to take it? I'm sorry, I got to angle her differently for myself. Just take it. She doesn't want to do it. Come here. Let me see your cheek. Come here. Yeah, so boom. We got it in there. You put it on the side of the cheek. And you swab it. Like I said, don't bite it. No. Stop it. Usually I don't like to get too aggressive with my dogs. They pin it down. She gonna try to bite it. And you put it in there. And you just twist it around. Good girl, Wednesday. About 10 to 15 seconds. Don't bite it. Stop that. Come here. 10 to 15 seconds. And you gotta do a countdown for me. Since I didn't catch the count, I might just do it like 20 seconds. Boom, 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 boom. See that? Good girl, Wednesday. Good girl, mama. Good girl, mama. That should be enough. And you got your sample on there, DNA to saliva. And I usually just take this and I sit it on the edge of something. Boom. Let it air dry. Done. Capiche. Easy. You feel it? And then I'm going to take it. I'm going to put it back in this package. And then I'm going to take the package. Take this package when I reseal it. Put it in an envelope. I'm going to mail it out to Animal Genetics. And I'm going to get my results back. And I'm going to do that for every puppy in all of my litters once they have been weaned. And yeah, that's about it. Once they've been weaned, you do the DNA test, and it's done. I think that about covers everything for this session. I think so. Yeah, probably. So, again, like I say, it's simple, easy. Dog DNA test, coat color, coat type. When you're talking about coat colors with French Bulldogs, we got different variants. You got standard creams, fines, brindles, on up to exotics. So coat color is very important, especially if you're a breeder and you selling pups, because you got to know what you're selling your dogs. A lot of breeders don't price their dogs based off color, so I hear them say, but who knows? Every breed is different. I'm definitely going to price some of my dogs off color, but structure and health are the more important factors of it. But it's always nice to know what your dogs carry, especially when you're selling to someone who's potentially trying to be a breed as well. So you want to have those DNA tests on hand for those dogs, because it just shows the extra steps that you take in your business. It's not that big of a deal though, but it is what it is. Other than that, I think we're done here. So thank you guys for watching. Again, click the link in the description below if you're interested in the pup, and peace.